Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the region in BattleNet. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open up a web browser, then go to BattleNet, then click on support over here, then simply click on account over here, then just simply click contact support, then over here just simply choose I would rather categorize my issue, then just simply choose account, then over here choose change account details. Now over here simply choose change battle.net account country region. Now just simply press continue. Then over here in the identity verification just simply skip all of them first. Then just simply write anything. Then just press submit. Now over here you have to attach some proof of your new residency or a region, like if you have changed a country then a bill slip or anything regarding that country or a region. So just simply attach that file. So for doing that just simply click attach a file, then attach that particular file. Then over here write a description about what happened and what you want them to do. Just simply do that. So after writing the description just simply press submit over here and the ticket has been raised, and within a few days or even hours your region will be changed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.